Students, in today's video, we are going to learn about the coordinate geometry. We have already learned in your previous classes about the bar graphs and histograms. You know how to locate the bar graphs and histograms, how to draw these on the graph paper. But now, if you want to locate coordinates in a coordinate plane, then you need coordinate geometry. The coordinates are in the form of x, y. The first place is given for x and the second for the y. Value of x is known as abscissa and value of y is known as ordinate. Okay. X-axis, this horizontal axis is known as x-axis and this vertical axis is known as y-axis. Both of these axes intersect at point O. This is the point of origin. The intersection of these axes is the point of origin whose coordinates are 0, 0. And these axes divide this whole coordinate plane into 4 equal parts known as 4 quadrants. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. You need to write this just in the same way. You have to start it from here. First, second, third and fourth. This sequence cannot be changed. Now, let's learn how to locate the points. First of all, as the number line from the left side of 0, there are negative values. So here should be -1, -2, -3, -4, like this and so on. And on the right side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And now, what about y-axis? On the upper side, we have positive values. So 1, 2, 3 and so on. And in the lower part, we have the negative values like -1, -2, -3 and so on. Now, so students, in this first quadrant, the values of x and y both are positive. So, coordinates in this quadrant will be in the form of x, y. So, both are positive. In second quadrant, x coordinates are in negative form and y are in positive form. So, the coordinates are in the form of -xy. Then in third quadrant, x and y both are negative. So the coordinates will be in the form of -x, -y. Both are negative. And in the fourth quadrant, x is positive and y is negative. So these are in the form of x minus y. Okay. In the first quadrant, both are positive. In second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. In third quadrant, x and y both are negative, and in fourth quadrant x is positive and y is negative. So now let us learn how to locate the points on the graph paper. So here we have a coordinate plane with x-axis and y-axis. Suppose we want to locate the point 2, 3 on this coordinate plane. Then in point 2, 3, first number is for x and second number is for y. So value of x is 2 and value of y is 3. So first of all, we will see the value of x. X is positive, 2 is positive. So 2x2 is positive here at this point, and corresponding to this value y is 3. 3 is also positive, so we have to move towards upwards. 3 corresponding to 2, we have the value of 3 here at this point. So this is your point A, which is 2, 3. So this is how we locate the points on this graph paper. Now let us locate another point, point B. Let it be -1, 3. So value of x is -1 and value of y is 3. So first of all, we will need to see the value of x. So where it will be? Value of x is negative, so we have to move towards this side. X is minus 1, so minus 1 is here. And corresponding to this value, we have to see the value of y, which is 3. So we have to move towards upwards because positive value is towards this side. So this is your point B, minus 1, 3. I hope you are getting this. So this is your point minus 1, 3. Now let we have another value. Let we have minus 2, minus 5. So here the point C is minus 2, minus 5. Value of x is minus 2 and value of y is minus 5. So minus 2. X is minus 2. Minus 2 is here. On x-axis minus 2 is here. Now value of y is minus 5. Minus 5 is below. So we have to move towards downwards. Corresponding to minus 2, we have to go to this side. Corresponding to minus 2, minus 5 is here. So the location of point C, which is minus 2, minus 5, will be at this point, minus 2, minus 5. So this lies in the third quadrant. Now next, let the point D, let it be 1, minus 2. 1, minus 2. Value of x is 1 and value of y is minus 2. So first of all, we will need to see the value of x. On x-axis, what is the value of x? 1. 1 will be at the positive side. So here it is 1 and corresponding to this 1, we have to move towards to minus 2. Minus 2 is upward? No, it is at this side. So corresponding to 1, value of y is minus 2. So this is your point D, which is 1, minus 2. So students, in this way you will be able to locate any point and you can find the location of any point on this coordinate plane. I hope you are getting. Thank you so much.